When starting your very own YouTube channel, you need to understand what category of videos you're actually going to create, and this is referred to as choosing a niche. At the moment on YouTube, I currently have 3 different YouTube channels. I have Ben Rowland's Music, and something that I tried out over the Christmas period, which was Ben Rowland's Gaming. Traditionally, people start a YouTube channel with the intention to grow that one platform as large as possible. So for example, if I had just started Ben Rowland's as a single channel and then uploaded whatever I liked onto there, obviously that would amass the largest amount of subscriptions. But the problem that you face with this is that you dilute your audience. So if everybody subscribed to Ben Rowland's Music and on there I did everything such as tech, music videos, music gear reviews, as well as all the other type of stuff I like to make, YouTube would have no clear demographics of what this YouTube channel is actually about, because there'd be a variety of different age groups watching this channel, and not all of the subscribers would be engaged in my iPad reviews because they subscribe to watch me play the guitar. So I personally am a strong believer in having multiple different channels that niche down into different categories of topics that you wish to talk about. So for example, my second channel, Ben Rowland's, which has now actually became my primary focus, is a tech-based channel. This is pretty evident by the banner that is placed on this channel, but also all of the content that I do. It's smartphone reviews, Xboxes, TVs, as well as primarily Apple, which is my sort of flagship content. In contrast, if we then compare this to my music channel, you can see all of the content has nothing to do with what I talk about on tech. It's amplifiers, guitar pedals, and also music production software. And then this is all reflected in my demographics. People that watch my tech reviews seem to be much younger, around 20 to 35, and then people that watch my music content are much older, 45 plus, and more into the 50s. So if I were to try and cram all of the content onto the exact same channel, I could not appeal to a 25-year-old the same as I could to a 50-year-old. So I need to have different channels to cater towards the different types of audiences. I'm not advising that you go out and start multiple different YouTube channels, because trust me, it's a huge amount of work and it's very exhausting. But what I'm trying to highlight is how important it is by niching down onto a particular topic to efficiently and effectively quickly grow that YouTube channel. Both of these channels prove that if you choose a niche and stick to it, you can effectively grow that channel much faster than if you had a scattergun approach with the content and you made a video on pretty much whatever you liked. And this is proof because my Ben Rowland's channel is only around 5 months old, and there's some videos on this channel that have over 500,000 views. You can see this video here is almost at 500,000 views, 300,000 views in 4 months, and then 150,000 views in just 6 months. And when you look at these top 4 best performing videos, there's a clear link between all the content. iPad content, iPad content, iPad content, more Apple content as well, and then also Xbox content over here, which links into sort of gaming as well.